Hi, I'm Jodi. I'm certified in nutrition and health coaching, and I'm the national educator for Vibrant Health. Did you know that chronic disease affects 1 in 2 Americans? It really is no surprise when you realize that we are encountering more environmental toxins than ever. This creates an imbalance of too many free radicals known as oxidative stress. This overload of free radicals, which are unstable cells that damage healthy cells and healthy tissue, increases our risk of disease. The incoming toxins like air pollution, pesticides, cigarette smoking, alcohol use, x-rays, and more lead to the immune system being overloaded, cellular damage, and increased risk of chronic disease and associated with accelerated aging process. Unfortunately, we cannot avoid the toxins we are exposed to, but we can mitigate their damage by eating a broad range of colorful fruits and vegetables that provide not only high levels of antioxidants to outnumber free radicals for cellular protection, but also by increasing our fiber intake, which enhances detoxification. This brings me to Spectrum Vibrance. It contains 40 fruits and vegetables from some of the greatest healing compounds because they are loaded with phytonutrients. Phytonutrients refers to the several thousand compounds found in plants, such as flavonoids, carotenoids, phenolic acids, flavonoids, stilbenes, and lignans. These deep, colorful fruits and vegetables interact with our biology. They act like switches on our DNA, and they can protect and change the structure and function of your cells. Increasing the number of phyto-rich foods in your diet can boost antioxidant activity, support immune function, ensure healthy diversity of your gut microbiome, decrease inflammatory stress, support heart health, lung health, eye health, healthy blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels. It is also neuroprotective. Spectrum Vibrance contains a vast array of red foods, some of which are strawberries, cranberries, goji berries, and pomegranate, which is special because, among other things, it contains ellagic acid that helps get rid of toxins. Reds also contain lycopene and astaxanthin. Did you know that astaxanthin is 6,000 times more potent than vitamin C for additional immune support? Reds promote vascular health, prostate health, DNA health, and reduce the risk of chronic disease. Next, we have yellow and orange. These include ingredients such as turmeric, apricots, carrots, marigolds, peach, and papaya. These are very rich sources of carotenoids. You may have heard of beta-carotene as well. It is important because it can turn into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A has many functions, such as promoting healthy vision, immune function, healthy inflammatory system, bone health, cell growth, and reproduction health. Moving on to greens, which have an extensive list of phytonutrient compounds from foods such as cruciferous vegetables. One of the unique benefits of green foods is that they help the liver work better to assist in keeping hormones in balance. It also contains moringa, which is shown to assist in healthy blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels. Lastly, we have the purple, blue, and black colors. These happen to be in the category of the least consumed, which is really unfortunate because they show to be protective for our brains, for enhanced cognitive and memory support. Some of these compounds come from blueberries, blackberries, elderberries, prunes, grapes, and acai fruit. They also have benefits that support heart health, vascular health, inflammatory response, and assist in protecting us from chronic disease. One of the well-known phytonutrients in this group is resveratrol, which has growing interest in supporting healthy longevity. Observe your daily intake of these colors in your diet and think about how many you are actually getting every day. It is estimated that 80% of people are missing many of these phytonutrients by not getting the full spectrum of color on their plates. If you're one of these people, consider supplementing your diet with Spectrum Vibrance.